Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss why basement leaks start after heavy rains, some hidden causes. So make sure you watch this video till the end. If you are a homeowner in Canada or any other country, it's definitely going to help you. Okay guys, so guys, after a very heavy rain, you may see that you water on your basement floor, wet carpet, or even damp smell. You feel shocked because you loved your basement apartment, or even if not finished, like you loved your basement. So I'm going to discuss why basement leak starts after heavy rain, what hidden causes are behind it, and what you can do immediately. Now, first thing to check is poor grading around house. The first cause is grading. Grading means slope of soil around your house. If soil slopes towards your foundation, rainwater flows directly towards basement wall. Over time, water pressure builds and enters through cracks. Solution: ground should slope away from the house. Even 6-inch slope within 6 feet is good. Check your downspouts. If your gutters are clogged, water overflows near foundation. If downspout is too short, water falls near basement wall. When it goes down and enters basement, extend downspout to at least 6 feet away from your house. Window well issues are very common. If you have an egress window, water can collect inside window well. If drain is blocked, water level rises and enters basement. This is extremely common after rain. Check window well drain pipe and keep it clean. And also another solution is to use a window well cover. So that will make sure that not too much of water is going into it. Check for foundation crack. Even hairline crack can leak under heavy rain because water pressure increases. Cracks can appear due to freeze-thaw cycle. Seal cracks professionally using epoxy injection. Okay. Weeping tile failure is also an issue. Weeping tile is drainage pipe around foundation. If it gets clogged with mud, roots and debris, water has no place to go. So it pushes inside basement. Sometimes you need flushing or replacement. If your sump pump is not working, it's gonna cause the flood. So test it. Okay, at least 3 to 6 months test it. So first leak is again a warning sign, and if you have already this, or if it has never happened to you, please check your house. You don't want to have damage, because such things later on could be very difficult to fix. That's what I wanted to discuss, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.